Hello, and welcome to my channel. This is the first video I'm gonna post where it's just me sitting in front of a camera, and today it's like, I guess you could call it a makeup tutorial, but not really. And we're gonna be talking about the James Charles palette, which I got like a little less than a month ago, and I don't know, I'm just gonna be talking about it. My friend's gonna talk me into this, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna add some primer. Next, I'm gonna add some primer to my eyes. Alright, before I go in with my eyebrows, I just want to say that I'm in no way a beauty guru. I really don't know what I'm doing, but if you don't like what I'm doing or the way I'm doing it, too bad. Anyways, now I'm gonna go in with my eyebrows. I like to use the dip brow. I like to start off by outlining my eyebrows first, and then I just go in a little and fill them in. Now I have like this little spoolie type brush thing that I'm just going to brush them out with. And then what I like to do is that I like to add foundation to a flat brush and just add it to the top of my eyebrows, just so later on it's not like hard to blend in with my foundation. Now with the same brush, I'm just going to conceal my eyelids in the bottom of my eyebrows. Now I'm going to take the Morphe 350 palette, whatever it's called, and I'm going to take this shade and just pack it onto my eyelids. Alright, it's time for the James Charles palette. On my spam, I had asked my friends what look I should go for, like if a yellow look or like a pink orange sunset look, and everybody liked the pink one, and it's more simple, so yeah. But I'll insert other looks I've done. Alright, so we're going to take this orange shade right here, and we're just going to pack it onto the eye. to cut the whole crease, not the half crease, just the whole crease, just so the pink that I'm going to add at the bottom can like stand out more. Now it's time for the pink, and I like to go with this pink. I don't know what they're called, man. Just get a pink. Now I'm gonna take this purple shade and just add it to like the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend everything out. So another thing that I like to do with my concealer is that I like to take it and just like go like this right here to, I don't know, just, what would you call that? I don't know. Just make it look even. To get like that sharp look. And then I also like to add some like under my eyebrow just a little bit. Now it's time for some foundation. I don't contour or conceal. That's for like another lifetime. So yeah, I shake the bottle before I use it. And now it's time to bake the face. So, pretty forward with that. So now while that sits for a second, I'm just going to add some Vaseline to my lips. I'm going to take a brush and just kind of blend it out. Now it's time for my favorite part, for some lashes. Now we're gonna add some of my favorite mascara, you know. We can't forget about glitter and highlight. I like to add glitter to the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm gonna take a brush and just kind of like even out. Stunning. Most shining, blinding eyeshadow I have is this one, and it's so beautiful. And I like to use this tiny brush. Last but not least, I'm just going to add some lip gloss, and I'm going to add my hoops. And then add some hoops. And there you go. Just do your hair and then whatever you want. I recently just cut my hair this short, so there's not much I can do with it. So there's that. And here are my glasses because a girl can't see. All right, let's talk about this palette. I don't know anything about James, just that he made this palette and he does makeup. I heard there was some drama, but we're not gonna get into that. This palette, the main reason everybody likes it is because how pigmented they are. And the colors are beautiful. I've played with the yellows, the orange, the pinks, the browns. I'm yet to try the black or the greens and the shimmers. The white doesn't give me as much pigment as I thought it would, but it's still pretty nice. And for the price, this palette is a must. Even if you don't like James or don't know who he is, I really recommend this palette. Even if you're starting, pro, not. I'm just getting started with doing my makeup, so I'll see what else there is. But I recommend it. It's a pretty good 9 out of 10. All right, thank you for watching. That was the video. That's it. I don't know if I'm ever gonna do this again. It was something, and contemplating whether or not posting this. I might. I think I will. But do that whole YouTuber thingy, like and subscribe if you want to see more. Ew. But for now, bye.